Want to type in another language but don't know how to add it to your keyboard? Stick around, I'll show you in under 30 seconds. Go to Setting on your Windows computer. Click on Time and Language. Then go Language and Region. Hit Add a Language and search for what you want, like Persian or Arabic or anything else. Click Install and wait a few seconds. Now you can switch between languages using Alt-Shift or Windows Space. And that's it. Super easy, right? If you found this helpful, like the video and follow techvole for more quick tech tips.